the regulators of life. In this lesson, we would learn about coordination among different system or organ in human being and in plants. You know that in multicellular organism, there are various tissue systems and organ systems. For meticulous functioning of organisms, there has to be a perfect coordination along different systems or organs and various stimuli from their surroundings. Activity: take out from the refrigerator a polyethylene bag in which vegetables are kept. After 5 minutes, remove the vegetables from the bag and feel the inside of the bag. What is your observation? Plants absorb water in which minerals are dissolved from the soil. With the help of their roots, there has to be loss of water from the plant. For this process, this loss of water is known as transpiration, which is brought about by the transpiring organs of the plants. Transpiration takes place in the leaves through the stomata openings. Then process is followed by ascent of utilization of the absorbed minerals in various metabolic activities. Suppose we take an example of digestion of food in human being. We notice that various organ systems function in synchronized manner. In short, we can infer that coordination is necessary between organs and organ systems that bring about all the interrelated life processes. Any disturbances at any stage due to lack of coordination of other factors can leave the desired process incomplete. In order to complete the process successfully, there has to be a perfect coordination between different systems and organ involved at every step. The maintenance of the steady state by different system of an organism for its optimal functions is called homeostasis. In certain sensitive plants like mimosa, movement is in response to the stimulus of touch. This movement is known as seismonastic movement. There is no growth involved in this movement. On the other hand, the movement of a seedling is because of growth. If growth is prevented, it, that is seedling, does not exhibit any movement. Here we concluded that plant exhibits two types of movement, and the other, which is growth independent movement. Movements in plant which are growth dependent. The movement or growth of any part of a plant in response to an external stimulus is called tropism or tropic movements. The shoot system of any plant responds toward the stimulus of light. That is, it grows in direction of source of light. When a potted plant is kept near the window in a room, you would observe that the stem bends slightly toward the window. This movement exhibit the plant is called phototropic movement. When light falls on a part of the plant, a hormone called auxin, which is synthesized at the tip of the shoot, helps the cell to grow longer. The root system of the plant responds to the stimulus of gravity and hydrotropic movements respectively. Chemotropism is the movement of plant part in response to certain chemicals, for example, the growth of pollen tubes toward the ovules. Other examples of plant hormones are gibberellins, cytokinins, abscissic acid, etc. Gibberellins help in the growth of the stem. Cytokinin promote cell division and hence is found in greater concentration in areas where rapid cell division takes place, such as fruits and seeds. Auxins, gibberellins and cytokinins help in promoting growth. Abscisic acid is a plant hormone which inhibits growth, leading to wilting of leaves. The plants use electrical or chemical means to transfer information from one cell to another, as there is no specialized tissue present for the conduction of information. Then, the movement is brought about as the plant cells change their shape by altering the amount of water in them. The cell either swell or shrink and thus change their shapes. Summary. Coordination means the orderly execution of the activities, and control refers to the systematic regulation of various activities of organs. Any disturbance at any stage due to lack of coordination or other factors can leave the desired process incomplete. In order to complete the process successfully, there has to be a perfect coordination between different systems and organs involved at every step. The movement or growth of any part of a plant is responsible to an external stimulus is called tropism or tropic movements. The examples of plant hormones are gibberellins, cytokinins and abscissic acid. That is all in this topic. In the next topic, we will learn coordination in human being. Till then, keep learning.